All right, thanks for joining the video. This video, we're going to just look at the enhanced time codes and how you can eliminate duplicate entries by performing a driver's license check or a traffic stop, vehicle check, uh, using the enhanced time codes. And you can get to those by going to settings, and you have to have necessary privileges and security to make code changes. If you don't have those, consult with your supervisor. Time codes. And for this instance, we're just going to use 38. And it's going to extend the watchdog 1 minute. It's going to pop up vehicle. It's going to describe call type. It's going to put traffic stop in the call type over here. And it's going to prompt for unit location. And so we're going to be using 27. It will extend the watchdog for 5 minutes, and it's going to indicate it's sensitive data. So whenever you print your logout, if you have any kind of information there that you copied and pasted, it won't be listed in that if you have it marked not to include sensitive data. And it's going to do the state inquiry fields. That's what I really want to show you. All right, so let's go ahead and get at it. All right, so we're going to do a traffic stop. So SD2, 38 traffic stop, and we're going to put East Crown View / Broadway. And we're going to do ABC 1, 2, 3. And if we had a state of Missouri or whatever, you can put that in here as well. You can put black Chevrolet Camaro, 3 occupants, and hit enter. And you'll notice immediately that we got our SRI response coming back, and this is all simulated data. And there's a driver's license check, all that information keeps on come up. There you got some warrant information. So, but we did all that in one scenario rather than having to go to the F11, run it, name, date of birth, send. You were able to do that just right from your screen. And we also, you hear the tone, we have that 1 minute watchdog that's coming up, Peter Hubbard traffic stop, Crown View. And we can click on that and we can recycle it, or we can extend it. We're just going to recycle, and we haven't heard nothing from him. SD2 status, he responds, he's okay. SD2 1027. Then if you type in 1027, you'll see that you now get the name fields. So let's run Hubbard Peter J Mail 1/1 of 1960. Oh, I'm not really that old, but anyhow. And we have a 5-minute watchdog, and we can type in whatever other comments we want. Oh, West Virginia. All right. And there we have it. It starts to run that name, date of birth, through your state inquiry and NCIC, and responses start coming back automatically without you having to go and come back to the F11 screen again. It just does all that in one setting for you. There's other things, and we'll have another tutorial. The next tutorial that we'll have, it won't be in this one, will be the quick name entry and how you can use that to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. All right, thanks. See you next time.